An Orbital ATK Cygnus supply ship packed with 3.7 tons of cargo, supplies and experiments rode an Antares rocket into orbit from Virginia's eastern shore on Sunday, setting course on a two-day pursuit of the International Space Station. Running a day late after an airplane strayed into restricted airspace, scrubbing a launch attempt Saturday, the 139-foot-tall, 42.5-meter Antares rocket lifted off at 7:19:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 12:19:51 GMT, Sunday from Wallops Island, Virginia. Arcing toward the southeast from its oceanside launch pad, the Antares rocket climbed through broken clouds, putting on a thunderous early morning sky show for spectators gathered near NASA's Wallops flight facility. Two Russian-built RD-181 main engines gave the Antares rocket an initial boost with around 864,000 pounds of thrust, then a solid-fueled Castor 30XL second stage, made by Orbital ATK, motor ignited to finish the task of placing the Cygnus cargo craft into orbit. A commentator from Orbital ATK's launch team called out flight events during the 7-minute ascent into orbit, noting normal performance from the Antares rocket throughout the flight. The Cygnus supply ship deployed from the Antares second stage around 9 minutes into the mission as it flew in range of a tracking station in Bermuda. Telemetry from the rocket indicated it placed the Cygnus spacecraft in an orbit between 124 miles (200 kilometers) and approximately 205 miles (330 kilometers) in altitude, slightly higher than predicted. The Cygnus spacecraft unfurled two fan-like ultraflex solar arrays around an hour and a half after launch, and the cargo craft is set to fine-tune its approach to the space station with a series of thruster firings over the next 2 days. Orbital ATK christened the Cygnus cargo carrier the SS Gene Cernan, after the late moonwalker who died in January. The resupply run is named OA-8, the 8th operational cargo launch made by Orbital ATK since January 2014 under a multi-billion-dollar contract with NASA.